Hey everyone, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out. Today I am in the kitchen making my favourite chocolate cake. It is a chocolate pecan and raspberry torte from one of our customers and it's delicious. So let's get started. Hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients for the torte and for the glaze. You will need spatulas and spoons, a springform cake pan, a cooling rack, saucepans, scales, glass bowls, measuring jugs, measuring spoons and cups, serving ware, and a bar mix immersion blender. Start by melting the unsalted butter in a medium-sized saucepan over low heat. Add the dark chocolate to the saucepan and stir it, then use the bar mix to blend until thick and smooth. Take the saucepan off the heat, add the cocoa powder and stir. In a large bowl, crack 6 eggs, giving them a whisk with the bar mix, then add in your sugar and mix. Pour the chocolate mixture from the saucepan into the large bowl and use the bar mix to combine until smooth. Pour in the brandy and vanilla extract and mix using the bar mix. Finally, add in the blitzed pecans, mixing with a spatula to combine. A helpful trick to perfectly line your cake pan is to outline the pan on baking paper with a pen, folding it into quarters and cutting the outline. Grease your pan with butter, place the circular baking paper at the base and then add sheets around the outside. Pour the torte mixture into the cake pan. Bake the torte at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Once the torte is cooked, leave it on a wire rack to cool. Once cooled, release the spring on the cake pan and remove the baking paper. To make the chocolate glaze, add dark chocolate, unsalted butter and water to a small saucepan and cook over low heat until smooth. Leave the glaze to cool and when you're ready to serve, pour it over your torte. So all we need to do now is give it a little garnish. I've got some freeze-dried raspberries today. If the fresh ones aren't in season, these are always a good option. So just give them a little crinkle, pop a few whole ones on there. So there you go, chocolate, pecan and raspberry torte. Everyone's waiting for it downstairs and very much looking forward to it. So why don't you guys try it at home and I'll see you again soon.